Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Today's video guys, magbaligya na sa taog empty bottle. Return and earn sa 10 cents. So, that's my driver, my darling. So, somehow guys. Somehow. So, yeah, maghuman, mag-grocery dayon ta kay ma-earn mo sa batong pang. So, here guys. So, yes there guys, we're going now to the supermarket. So you see banana nasa car pa siya. Hindi siya bumaba. So hindi na natin. So mask is real. Mask is must na talaga. Ano yung mukha ko? Hindi pwedeng walang mask. Yan.
Get the ticket.
Yes, I do.
We'll go and do the lot out there.
Okay. Hopefully we will win. We're to the shopping center. So there's a bed sheet. That's a bed, darling, at the back.
What?
Bed sheet.
What are you doing?
But there we go. You're trying to win.
Yeah, I'm usually after systems with the
Hopefully we
PowerPoint.
will win.
So systems 8, systems 9.
Guys, I forgot to bring a bag. So I need to get my bag, shopping bag. Forgot to the max. So, cutie. Little cutie. Let's get the bag. Uy. Paano yun? Bukas pa lang ano. Nandito lang guys ang daming bag. Yan. Naiwan. Something is waiting for me guys over there. It's waiting. Waiting. And here's the bag. Here's the bag. Yeah. Hello. So can I have your number, sir? Sir? What's your name? Can I have your number, please?
Later.
I'm from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Hey? Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia, man. Do you have money?
No, I got none. You got it all.
See you later then. Dagan siya paliton. Dagan na siya paliton nga nag-trolley. Let's go inside. That's my mom. Bonus. Shopping galore. So daming mga bilhin. What I want to know. Chicken. Something. You're getting the, what's that spread?
It's a cheese.
Spread.
Cheese spread.
Oh, how about the white one?
No, I don't like that one.
Cream cheese bold.
Get the normal one.
That one is normal. So you can notice that, darling, it's quiet, but no, less people around. Getting some eggs. Eggs mo dyan.
Check it out.
Huh? Yeah, it's all about the same. Eggs is life. Down to what else you want, Bob? I need oyster sauce. So, napansin nyo guys, super quiet kasi dahil sa pandemic. So, I'm used oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Tabasco $4. Ang daming sale. In fairness. Here in our baby area, our baby dog. Our baby dog food. Which one?
These ones here. It's a bit of chicken. You like?
Yung pansin niya, ghost talaga siya. Hindi masyadong maraming tao. Hi? Basta. For our baby Foxy. Maarte na aso. Ay? Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Sir. Hello. What's your
Are
name?
you going to get another thing?
Where are you from?
Are you going to get another thing done?
Like what?
This.
I don't know. He's eating the one? Yeah, I think so. Where are you from? Yes, I think the big roll. The one that he ate last time. Atin guys, nagpanic buying talaga. Walang toilet paper dyan. Oh, empty. Panic buying sila sa toilet paper. Oh, sobrang empty talaga. Walang toilet paper. Sila walang toilet paper. It's all gone. Wow. Huh? Yep. That's the paper, darling. So less lang ang mga tao kasi may pandemic. Going to the counter now. We buy a lot of paint. Where the one that I got is not?
This is, I like this one.
You're gonna get one then?
No, we haven't done it. We already done it.
Arte. So guys, sama na pang grocery. Going to Asian shop no. Asian shop. Is that sunset?
$10, you got that cheap.
Dan Morphy.
Use a mobile. I usually get that one there. It's still $54.
104, the big one. Wow.
No, there's a real big one, darling.
Where?
Bigger one.
Oh, that's a 119 now. Shit. Very expensive.
Gentleman Jack.
Wines of the world.
This is bourbon.
Huh?
Gentleman Jack. That's a
The
bourbon.
wine area guys, so grabe
Jack
ang
Daniels, darling.
mahal. So how
Look.
much?
Look, $154.
Wow, 154?
Yeah.
So dapat mag-ingat, we need to be very careful, otherwise if you're gonna smash one drink, you're gonna pay much, okay?
I'll show you the sweet one. I'll show you the deal
Hmm?
one.
Daming wine. Hello sir, how much is that?
109, 99, 109. This is the stuff we feed. 200. Old bastard.
Wow.
That's good. Old
What's the
bastard.
taste of
That's
that?
200.
Huh? Very expensive. Jesus.
Old bastard.
Wow. Very expensive one, darling.
159. 1,300 a bottle.
Right?
That's the stuff I used to.
1,000. What's the name?
Champagne.
Champagne? I wanna drink that one, darling. Get that one for me.
Come on.
Under $10 there.
Yeah, there's heaps of different. Johnny Walker. Yellow can.
Which one?
Yellow can of Johnny Walker.
That's cute.
Jim Beam.
Mastermind. My big fella.
Yeah.
That's the stuff that I like. Strawberry.
The mixed pack. Vodka Cruisers. 10
How
pack,
much?
$33.
Tingin-tingin lang kami guys. Hindi kami bibili ha. For eyes only. So, ang daming inumin. I wanna stay here. I'm gonna drink every day, once a day. This is the wine area guys. We called it Dan Morphy. Nandito lahat na mga inumin. So, wow, grabe. Pili lang kayo. So, ang luwag-luwag. Sana all. Tig sana all na lang tayo. Hello, sir. Why you been busy for? Sir. Can I have your number, please? Can you be my text mate? Hello, sir. Is your wallet full?
No.
None. See you later.
Oh.
No money, no honey. No money, no honey. So, wow. Sana all, ang dami. Finally guys, I come home na after sa grocery shopping. So, mag-unpacking na ako sa mga nabili ko. So, ito na yung nabili ko guys. Bulldog spicy noodles, mango, and bihon from the Philippines. Bihon and magic syrup. So, ito na yung mga nabili ko guys. Bihon, magic syrup from the Asian shop. And may spicy noodles tayo, bulldog. And nakabili din kami sa Dan Murphy ng vodka cruiser. And ito pa, cheese spread, oyster sauce, and food for Foxy sa among baby dog. Ganito pa guys, toothpaste para sa ating ngipin na di makugod. And full cream milk, gatas para sa mga may edad. Itlog, egg, at saka old gold chocolate para sa mga old. Chocolate. And my noodles is life guys, puro noodles. Puro noodles ang mga nabili. Kasi Foxy's food para sa baby dog namin. Subukan ko tong Chinese style noodles kung masarap to. Sorry sa asawa ko yan, mahalig siya. Noodles na lang binibili namin guys kasi murahin para magkatipid-tipid din ng konti. And more noodles! Noodles is life, rice is life. Grabe, ang mahal ng bilihin. So, today, ngayon guys, is like every fortnight shopping namin. Grocery, pang merkado. Mga pang merkado. Yun lang. Wala na. Tapos na.
Soy sauce. No noodles. Noodles. Cream cheese spread. Subukan natin. Biscuit. Yummy.
Stress, tension, anxiety, or fatigue could lead to chronic health conditions and dependency on prescription drugs. But what if you can get relief just by sitting down? Introducing the T-Bone Massage Kit. It's a full-body massage kit with luxurious robotic hand that can put your body and mind in an amazing stress-free state of relaxation. So you can even feel yourself without ever leaving your home. The secret is the intelligent biomapping circuitry that scans and measures the unique.
So, thank you for watching guys to my vlog, Australianang Bisaya. So, Please like and subscribe. Please support my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the notification down below or above. God bless. Take care. Bye.